Liquidity refers to how easily an asset can be bought or sold without a major price change. It's highest where there are lots of buyers and sellers, like near support or resistance levels, previous highs or lows, or round numbers. Large institutions create liquidity grabs, pushing price just beyond these levels to trigger stop losses. To avoid them, wait for confirmation signals, watch candle closes, and don't just blindly trade breakouts. You can identify liquidity zones and plan trades in surrounding supply and demand areas. Trading is a high-stakes journey that offers unparalleled freedom but demands extreme discipline. To succeed in the markets, a trader must understand both the potential rewards and the inherent risks. और याद रखिए discipline है, सब कुछ है. Thanks for watching our video.